All right, 5 years ago, they complained about the leak. They thought it was the roof, they thought it was the valley. This valley, I come to find out, it was the plywood they put here. Look, they just put plywood here. And the plywood was just butted up against this fascia board. So all I did was I took turbo polyseal and I put a strip here. And look at it, 5 years ago, it's still holding. I just did it as a temporary thing. I did not do it as permanent, but it's holding. They never came and replaced the plywood. I want to show you the clip where I did that 5 years ago. But just before I show you the clip, I have a special request. My son is starting a business and I want to support him. I want you to buy one packet of dip. And let me show you what it is. My son is selling, what you call it, quick dips. Vitafoams. You see Vitafoams? And that's what he's selling. Please buy one. It's only $3 or $4, I'm not sure. Buy one. Let me show you how it works. I've never done this. This is the first time. Let me do it. The sour cream. All right. Just scoop a cup out there. I'm gonna do half a cup or whatever. Okay. A little bit of mayo. All right, a little bit of mayo. I'll just use my scoop, my spoon. Okay, I'm not a fond of mayo, but okay, there we go. And then you put this dip in there. Okay, and I'm gonna put this dip. Ooh, look at that. All right, and then you stir it. And that's it. How much easier can it be? Now, if you want to, you can add, I bought some chopped onion. Okay, I can put some chopped onion there. And my wife put some parsley or whatever that is. Look at it. Woo! Now, this is for the taste. I'm gonna use, my wife put this in. All right, this is for the taste now. Really? Wow. This is a winner. This is unbelievable. Make your own dip. He has a lot of varieties on them. What was this dough? What did I use? I used Southwestern. I don't even know. I have a plan. My wife put a baked potato. This is 1 o'clock. I'm very hungry. A baked potato in. Ooh, look at that. We put some baked potato in there. Some of this in there. Oh my goodness. Let me try this. Wow. Put more in. I never get enough in the restaurants. Man, this is good. Hey, support him, please. Go. I will put the link on the bottom. In the descriptions, I'll put the link. Just buy one packet or something. Thank you. Watch a clip of how I repaired that plywood. And then I'll see you on the next video. To find leaks are not the easiest thing. That's the hardest part on a roof. But once you find it, you can fix it. So look at the plywood just butts up against this here. And when rain comes down here, water flows right behind this plywood, behind the flashing. Now let me show you how I make a transition here with turbo polyseal so water cannot flow in there. You have to take the paint off. Look at this plywood. I mean, it should be screwed down. Nice. Very tight. Step number 3. I'm going to do my turbo polyseal transition here. You get the idea, you got to get a lot on there. Alright, just like that. Look at that. Wood on wood, but they didn't have good flashing. 110 degrees on the roof, it's not fun.